This is David Krusner. I run the consulting and solutions organization for iGate Global Solutions. My role in iGate is to look at each of the verticals that we focus and concentrate our services in and develop a combination of strategic consulting services and service offerings, as well as building integrated tech and ops based solutions that ultimately get to a business outcomes arrangements for our clients. And these solutions are end-to-end process solutions with the integration of operations on top of typically single platforms that are leading edge for the verticals or the micro verticals in which we serve. So today I've been asked to explain to you a little bit about why business outcomes, why integrated tech and ops or ITOPS based offerings. And there are a couple things that I would want to mention as part of that. First and foremost, I strongly believe, based on my experience, based on my conversations with CXOs that we get the chance to play with, is that the old engagement model of time and materials is truly dead. I would say it's well, even beyond passé, it's truly dead. And the new engagement model needs to be one that is more value-based and more in line with not only the customer's value equation, but in line with where the markets, especially the markets or verticals that we serve, and where our customers are going, i.e. their strategy, their go-to-market strategy, their execution process, etc. So the new model then becomes what I believe iGate is leading with, which is an integrated tech and ops and outcomes-based model. In other words, pay for results. How we get there is through the integrated tech and ops model. So probably one of the best examples that we have in terms of its maturity and its, I'll call it, market focus and what's resonating in the market in particular today is in our IHL vertical, which specifically in this case is for the insurance part of the vertical. We have a number of large, and I mean Fortune 100 in some cases, if not Fortune 500 clients that have hundreds of thousands, in some cases even millions of transactions that they have to process for customers that are referred to as either closed block or open block insurance policies and claims that they have to administer. The solution that we have in order to deal with this is a combination of a single platform with the processes that fit on top of it. This solution is our TPA solution, third-party administration solution. And this is a solution that has gone through what, again, I refer to as the ISDF or Innovation Solutions Development Framework. And it's gone through because not only over time have we had to enhance, enable, and improve our platform in order to deliver on the end-to-end capabilities for our customers, but this is a platform that is not only saving our clients lots of money, but it's increasingly improving their cycle time, their productivity levels within these very large transaction-based processing exercises or services that they have to offer for their customers, which are everything from individuals to other enterprises that they serve. The key for us is that we have built a platform that allows our customers to take many disparate systems, applications, and versions of their own platforms into one. And we literally come in with a single platform, that's the integrated technology, along with the operations on top of it, where we are actually not only servicing claims, but doing all the reporting for all the insurance policies of a particular customer's client base, which again could be in the millions, if not multi-millions. So we have the ability in this case not only to reduce the CapEx or the capital expenditure for our customer in maintaining old systems, disparate systems, or even in some cases obsolete systems, but we also have the ability to move their operational expenditure, or their OpEx, if you will, from a very fixed cost structure to that of a very variable cost structure. Ultimately, we end up not only saving them money and cycle time, but we actually, and the biggest outcome in this case, is reduce medical loss ratios on a per policy basis for the insurance client, in this case, customer base. So in summary for me, what does ITOPS or business outcomes mean for iGate and the markets we serve? it really comes simply down to pay for results. But pay for results where we're looking at and working with our customers on an end-to-end process capability, where we're bringing in very efficient platforms that could be shared not only across one customer but across multiple customers. But on top of that, not only from a single technology platform capability, we can run all the operations, which is the ITOPS approach. What does that do? It helps our clients share in risk, share investment, share in outcomes, and ultimately move us from a supplier relationship with our customers to that of a partnership-based relationship with our customers, which delivers much more value to the customer base and the customer and clientele we serve, but also to the markets we serve. And to me, that's the only model in today's world that should be working, and not the old model.